On international news, we hear a lot, almost every day, about drones and drone attacks and civilian casualties caused by drone attacks. Perhaps the idea of drones gives us the shivers unconsciously when we hear its name. Imagine how those who are subject to the attacks feel. Well, anyway, we don't want to get into that on this program. What we do want to tell you is about the positive functions drones could have.
This is the 5th National Aerospace Exhibition held in Tehran's Mehrabad Airport. The event was held from October 21st to 24th, organized by the Iranian Aviation and Space Industries Association. The whole aim of this exhibition is to showcase the abilities of Iran's state-owned and private companies in this field, as well as displaying their potentials and the recent developments that these companies, as well as academic centers, have made during these years. The exhibition focused on airlines, air services, aerospace companies, universities active in aerospace industries, aviation items, and aircraft part manufacturers.
نمایشگاه بسیار خوبی هستش. من این بازدیدی که انجام دادم مخصوصا در قطعه‌سازهایی رو که داریم، قطعه‌های بسیار خوبی، همچنین هواپیمایی رو که در ایران برای اولین بار ساخته شده برای آموزش.
Many of the visitors in today's exhibition are students who have a passion for flying. Right now they're learning more about this plane, how it functions and flies. Despite the sanctions against the country's civil aviation industry, Iranian aviation experts and engineers are working to increase the country's airport facilities and equipment. More than 130 industries and companies have taken part in this exhibition. Some of those are specifically dedicated to the delicate and complicated parts used in the aviation industry. Part of the exhibition was dedicated to the multi-rotor, and Hamed Saidi was there to tell us more about the technology. He has been working with one of the biggest companies in this field, and today we got the chance to learn more about the device.
طراحی و ساخت وسایل پرنده بدون سرنشین است. همونجور که می‌بینید ربات‌های پرنده، هواپیماهای بدون سرنشین و بالگردهای بدون سرنشین. مجموعه ساخت ما هدفش این است با توجه به مأموریتی که مشتری یا کاربر براش تعریف میکنه وسیله رو طراحی بکنه، تست‌های پروازی رو بگیره و آماده ساخت بکنه.
Mehrabad Tower, Iran Air 235, ready for departure. We're heading off to Shiraz right now, but this time with our camera, so stay with us. The multi-rotor is a rotorcraft with more than 2 rotors. Unlike a helicopter, where the pitch of the rotors can vary as the blades rotate, multi-rotors often use fixed pitch blades, and their movement is controlled by varying the relative speed of each rotor. The multi-rotor has a wide range of uses in the professional area. The larger and more expensive versions can carry high-quality video cameras and even digital single-lens cameras. They are used for making films, taking heli-shots, surveillance for the mining industry, as well as taking maps and photos from cities and roads. They are also used in the area of natural resources and environment, as well as being equipped with thermal and infrared cams to assess the underground power lines. The more developed and elaborate versions are used by the military and the police in surveillance and search and rescue work. Mr. Saidi and his team gave us a quick demonstration on how this device works and functions. A respectable capability, and despite the sanctions, progressively improving designs. Khodalezgi for Iran.